If you're thinking about investing in new systems, here's a comparison between off-the-shelf and bespoke software. Number 1, the cost, now and in the future. Bespoke software can be great. With the correct design, you'll get exactly what you want. However, that comes at a cost. Not just the significant upfront investment, but also ongoing updates needed to keep up with changes in your business. Number 2, people move on. Whether it's in-house or third-party, you're relying on someone to maintain and update your bespoke system. With off-the-shelf software, the knowledge lies across a team, so there's no single point of failure that could leave you high and dry. Number 3, infrastructure. With off-the-shelf cloud software, the application security and hosting are typically part of the package. With bespoke software, you are taking full responsibility for the costs and the risks. Number 4, missing out on best practice. Off-the-shelf software evolves based on the feedback from a large pool of customers, keeping it up to date with new trends and technology. When you build your own, you only have one perspective, and may even bake in bad habits that hold your business back in the future. In summary, bespoke software may get you what you need today, but you run the risk of design flaws, plus spiraling costs, security and people risks in the long run as things change.